Hello everybody, this is Pastor Janel Vergara Niminyo, the pastor of Berean Bible Baptist Church, Binalbagan, Negros Island, the hometown of Brother Ben Rimor in Bintor. And I am the one who spearhead the food packs distribution due to Typhoon Krizing, and our place, out of 16 barangays, 13 barangays were severely hit by flood, and our town right now is in the state of calamity because it was affected with the 41,497 individuals with 9,751 families, with 3 landslides in the mountainous areas where several houses damaged, and there were 2 casualties during the flood. And I am so grateful and thankful to God that you supported the fundraising of Brother Ben, and we really appreciate much because of your generous gifts and generous giving. We're able to distribute food packs to the families here in Binalbagan, and not only here in Binalbagan, to different places also who were severely hit by the typhoon. So again, thank you so much, and may the Lord bless you in return of what you have invested here in the Philippines. Thank you, and God bless everyone.